Meaning of Haiti.
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 Haiti. Haiti is a country situated in the Caribbean region. The word Haiti has its roots in the indigenous Taino language, meaning land of mountains. It gained independence from France on January 1, 1804, becoming the first independent nation in Latin America. Haiti is known for its rich culture, including its cuisine, music, dance, and art. The country faces various challenges such as poverty, political instability, and environmental degradation. Nonetheless, Haiti remains a resilient nation with a vibrant spirit and a strong sense of community.